Hi everyone, this is Inspire Beautiful. There is a kind of stress that doesn't always look dramatic. It doesn't always show up as crises. Sometimes it shows up as background noise, a constant mental tally, upcoming payments, rising costs, commitments that once felt manageable but now feel tight. Even if everything is technically fine, the margin can feel thin, and thin margins create tension. Financial pressure is rarely just about money. It's about stability. It's about how much room you have when something unexpected happens. It's about whether your life feels sustainable or constantly on edge. When there is very little margin, your nervous system knows. Even if you don't consciously name it, there is a quiet vigilance that comes with maintaining a lifestyle that stretches you. And over time, that vigilance becomes exhausting. Living below your means is often misunderstood. It's not about deprivation. It's not about thinking small. It's not about fear. At its healthiest, it's about creating breathing room. It's about choosing stability over constant expansion. It's about recognizing that peace often comes from reducing pressure, not increasing income alone. Because stress is not determined only by what you earn, it's shaped by what you've committed to. There is a difference between comfort and overextension, between enjoying what you've built and quietly straining to maintain it. Sometimes the pressure doesn't come from necessity. It comes from expectation. The expectation to keep up, to upgrade, to say yes, and to maintain a certain image. And those expectations can quietly accumulate into obligation. Obligation that follows you home, into your sleep, into your conversations, and into your sense of security. Reducing financial pressure does not require a dramatic overhaul. It might simply mean asking, where is the tightest point? Is it subscriptions? Is it housing? Is it social commitments? Or is it saying yes too quickly? You don't have to change everything, but easing even one pressure point can shift your internal landscape. Because margin is not just financial, it's emotional too. When you have margin, you make decisions from steadiness, not urgency. When you have margin, unexpected expenses feel inconvenient, not catastrophic. And when you have margin, rest feels safer. This isn't about judgment. Many people are navigating real constraints. Many people are doing the best they can. And sometimes there is very little room to maneuver. But even within limits, there may be small areas where pressure can be reduced. Not to shrink your life, but to stabilize it. Peace does not always come from adding more. Sometimes it comes from needing less. If things have felt like too much lately, it may not only be emotional strain, it may be structural strain. And structural strain can often be adjusted more gently than we realize. So here's a quiet reflection for you. Where in your life does financial pressure feel heaviest? Is there one expectation that could be softened? Is there one recurring commitment that could be reconsidered? Is there one place where enough might already exist, even if it doesn't look impressive? Breathing room is not regression, it's protection. And when less financial pressure enters your life, peace has more space to stay. Inspire beautiful. Take care, everyone. Thanks for listening.